Okay, it is Thursday. I don't know how well that's coming in. Thursday, a little after 2, October 10th. We're supposed to have all that craziness coming in. Wind and power outages and nothing has materialized. So I thought I would just take this out and document what we've got. 2 o'clock Thursday afternoon. The temperature out here is just barely reaching 60 degrees, maybe not even quite 60 degrees. It was down into the mid 30s, I think, last night. It was about 36 when I checked at about 7:30 this morning. So let me give you, this place is a disaster. I've got so many things in the works, like dealing with a ton of scrap wood here. But the sky, fairly blue, hardly a cloud. I say fairly blue because the global dimming is never stopped, but at least today it's a lot brighter than it has been all week. And what does this one have to say? What? I didn't bring out anything. Nope, go back to laying in the sun. So, as you can see, no wind. Oh, slight breeze. I just saw a leaf blowing. Yeah. For all intents and purposes, no wind, cool temperatures, fairly clear skies, no planes, noisy turkeys. Leaves are just beginning to turn on some of the trees. So as you can see, slight little bits of breezes occasionally coming through. It is so quiet today you can actually hear that's the wind in the trees. If you can pick it up. Okay, a little bit of it's the noise of the highway, but that's it. This is 2 o'clock Thursday, October 10th, Eastern Shasta County, California. Alright, you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.